Hey everybody, Robert Jack here. We're going to paint this Sabertooth cat in acrylic paint. And I'm going to start with my darkest darks using black right out of the tube, which I rarely ever do. But in this case, I know that because it dries so fast and acrylic painting is all about layers and glazing, I'll be able to build on top of this foundation as we go. Now we all call these guys saber-toothed tigers, but they weren't in the tiger family of big cats at all. Their closest living relative is probably the clouded leopard. So I'm going to look at some clouded leopard pictures while I make decisions about the pattern and the stripes here on this animal. Now this dagger brush might look big and fluffy, but if we get it wet and we load it up with enough paint, we can create some extremely fine lines, and these will be perfect for whiskers. So these whiskers are going to be the finishing touches on this piece. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you could leave me a comment, a like, a subscribe, I would appreciate that so very much. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.